Big up everybody who check in. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Now, some people have said this is the worst statement somebody representing the government could have ever say. The people must say nothing at a time where Christmas is fast approaching. And the people must send the money. All they must say an increase in cost of living. And no Christmas yet. So you know, the Christmas extra money not put on goods yet. I couldn't hear what the government has say and what the people might disagree with them about. Look and listen.
5 years ago, 8 years ago, when we sat in cabinet, it is to recover from the PNP because it messed up the country and we have to put things in place. And it hurts me more than anything else, labor rights. When I hear PNP say, none of them gone. Labor rights. When I hear people say, none of them gone, you see the amount of traffic on the road? You see the amount of cars on the road? In the last 8 years, maybe another 500,000 cars go on the road. Labor rights. You ever go to hardware stores? Go to Fields Hardware on Kansas Spring Road. Go to Active Traders. Go to Hardware and Lumber. You have never seen so much business in these places. And all of the hardware store tell me they have never had business so good as in the last 8 years. So something is going on. And if labor rights, when they stop at the fast food places, you never see more long lines. Every fast food place have long lines because people have money in their pocket can spend on fast food. And I say to you, labor rights, we must get rid of the lies. Mash up the lies that the PNP telling about London are gone. A whole heap of things going on. And I can tell you, labor rights, all across the country, people are supporting the hardware stores, supporting the fast food place because money are jingle in your pocket.
I don't want them to make one promise because after 9 years, anything them don't do already, them not gonna do it again. So any promise that you get would be a comfort to a fool. I mean also another fool. So whatever them come with, I want them to stand firm in your mind and in your body. And whenever the trumpet sound and it's time to put your X, I want you to come out in the numbers. Damien have the record now and Damien say, well, I sat mash up that record and I want to see a new record set so that I have this Rasta man with me walking up the garden house.
Now tell me one thing. Some people say it is clear. Whether I be the whole administration or some members of it, they are now disillusioned with what take place. The prosperity where is being spoken of is only being seen by a few. And that way I feel like the administration now look upon. Yeah? I can point to a situation where take place in a Royalton or there. Of course, we know the tourism industry make a whole heap of money. And we know people within the tourism sector make a whole heap of money. But you know what the worker them did say? And because of that, they have to change the general manager. That's what take place in a society. Money upon the island. Jamaicans have long said that. And have long known this. Because resources there, the land there, whole heap of things there. But the benefits of those things are only being seen by a very few people. We see the whole heap of luxury vehicle them a drive. But how much people only drive a regular car, how much people have to take public transportation? The rich can afford to go to the supermarket and no matter how high the prices go, them can just tap them card and go along. For the average consumer, them have to look on the price of goods. When them go in a place, them have to look for the everyday low value. But rich people just buy when them buy and go along. And some people say that is why elected officials who have been elected officials for much decades now can talk the way them talk. Because them no remember how much the price of bread was, too much the price of bread is now. Because them have it. The average consumer, them can tell you how much time now since bread raised. Even if a $1, the average Jamaican can tell you how much time now KFC price gone. How much time they put an extra $5 upon it. That is how much them have to budget them spending. The wealthy can say money there, of course. Them say money make money and they may have money all along. So they have been making money ever since. Keep in mind now, the Integrity Commissioner say a whole heap of people no one tell them how much money them actually have. Them can talk how them talk. The regular Jamaican want prosperity. And they see if them say they know campaign for merit. And their talk is that money there. Them basically say, alright, who alright with what go on, vote for them. And who want better? I don't know them say about who want better. But with a two-party system on the Jamaican island, that means them a push or I tell everybody we say them want see better prosperity, more prosperity. Prosperity where the people them can experience, not just the wealthy. I tell them to go vote for the opposition basically. Them basically I tell the people to go vote for the opposition. Because the prosperity and the economy will continue to hear the administration talk about. If you don't own one of them big business up on the island, tell the truth. Even people overseas can tell you. When them visit the Jamaican island, they must say, boy, them happy them just there for 2 weeks or 3 weeks. First thing them point out a cost of living. Or the first thing them talk about. When you can go in a Walmart, you can go in a farmers market or the superstore or one of them places. The $100 Canadian. Or if you're in North America, $100 US. And full up a trolley or some things. If you roll a yard with the what the US there now, 15 grand for 100 or something on them price there. But 12 grand for Canadian, 13 grand. You can't get the same amount of items. No, you can't get the same amount of items. And people are gonna say shipping and no for the things they make. They over there say ship them. We don't talk about cost of living. We don't show you how one set of people see things different from the other set of people on the island. And one set of people can say, yo, don't make the people them tell you nothing. Money there. People them now say the money there. People must say some people alone have it. And the way some people attack, some people say, yeah, we don't have it. But want to everybody else. Why the government still now make it easy for regular Jamaicans to do business on the island? I'm gonna say, he want to send some clothes, go a yard, go make him family them go and sell it for him. The amount of money he have to pay to clear the barrel. It's almost like the goods them unite. The value of it don't make it worth clearing the barrel if you go try to sell back them thing there. Now make no profit. I'm still in an administration, them talk about that still. But tell me what you think. At this moment in time, anytime a party is elected and then become government, and them are the government for a certain time, it's almost like the thing them with them campaign for the thing them get them elected as the government. It's either them forget about it or they must start to things different. And then that make the party who is now the opposition I see it from the people's point of view. And I guess that this will say I take place. And at the people from the government, at the statement that they make. So I take the permission even tell them say no. Because every time them say something, they gonna make it look away upon everybody in the party. But talk to me in the comment section and tell me anything. If you're new to the channel, that's a pass through. Click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. Drop a like and boost a share. And tell a friend, tell them, sister, them, brother, them. For check out the channel, check out the reasoning, and also join the discussion, the comment section 24/7. It never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. We can continue the reason via the comment section. Now until the reason again, of course, my sentiments for you and yours that wanna live, love, and prosper. And of course, if you wanna stay tuned until the reason again, remember to like and share. Remember to comment and subscribe. And remember to stay tuned until the reason again.